Is Fireflies AI not working the way it should? Whether it isn't joining meetings, generating transcripts, or loading properly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes to get Fireflies AI working again. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're signed in to the correct Fireflies account. If something doesn't seem right, sign out, then sign back in and refresh the page. This simple step often fixes temporary issues. If Fireflies isn't joining your meetings, open Settings and go to Calendar and Conferencing. Make sure your Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar is connected and that automatic meeting joining is enabled. Also, check that your meeting invitation includes a valid Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams link. If you're using Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, your meeting settings can also prevent Fireflies from joining. For example, waiting rooms, guest restrictions, anonymous user blocks, or end-to-end encryption settings may need to be adjusted before the meeting starts. You know, these are some of the most common causes when the meeting assistant doesn't appear. If your meeting was recorded but the transcript hasn't appeared yet, give Fireflies a few more minutes to finish processing. If the transcript is in the wrong language, you can update the meeting language and reprocess the recording directly from the meeting page. I mean, that usually resolves language-related transcription problems. If everything looks correct but Firefly still isn't working, the issue could be on their side. Check the Firefly's service status to see if there's an ongoing outage or maintenance. If the service is operational and the problem continues, contact Firefly's support through the support widget inside the app. And that's how you can fix the most common Fireflies AI problems in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions got everything working again. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.